Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the TOST review. So it's also known as TOST and TOSTQ.com. So is it legit or a scam? So here we already have some websites that bring up the TOST review. So here it's a quantitative trading platform or click a button or otherwise known as a Ponzi scam. So basically this is already a scam and it primarily registered on December 23rd, 2023, but only it said it's claimed listed in 2020 when it's only 2023 when it was listed. So basically, as you can see right here, if you click on TOST website, you can learn it runs on the MEQAA platform. So that means that it's a Chinese company based out of Beijing, and TOST has ties to China, which is already a red flag, as we can see. So this is compensation plan, but it says right here, if you invest 30 USDT, you will receive 1.8 to 3% a day. So basically, it's just a Ponzi scheme right here. So joining TOST has free membership, of course, but full participation will need $30. So its conclusion right here is its so-called vision to become a global leader in quantitative trading is not real, of course, because it's just a scam. Because when you go to their website, it's already not available basically because it's already taken down and it's a scam. So when you go to Scam Advisor and TOSTQ reviews, as you can see, trust scores 1 out of 10. Why? Because it's very, very scammed right here. So as you can see, the identity of the owner is hidden and you can track the traffic and it's very low either. So the server has several sites that has low reviewed other websites. And as you can see, you can read this that there are a lot of red flags. The only thing that's positive about this is they have a DNS filter and a SSL certificate. So as you can see, a lot of people have lost their money to this already. So I don't know why people would actually try and invest in shady websites like this. So as you can see, if when you see there's only 1 stars when it comes to TOSTQ.com. And as you can see, people have lost $20,000 and $35,000 in their company. So I would not anymore be involved in this. So be aware.